Hi guys, today's video is about one of the 7 wonders of Ukraine. Yes, Ukraine has its own list of 7 wonders and Kyiv Pechersk Lavra is in the 4th place among the 7 wonders of Ukraine. Having said that, what is Kyiv Pechersk Lavra and why is it such a well-known landmark in Ukraine? We'll get to know that in this video, and at the same time, we'll have a bird-eyes view over this historical place. Now, Kyiv Pechersk Lavra, it's translated or known as Kiev Monastery of the Caves. It's an Orthodox Christian monastery and has been a preeminent center of the Eastern Orthodox Christianity in Eastern Europe. In my previous video, I covered Hagia Sophia, a very prominent Eastern Orthodox church in Istanbul, Turkey, which has now been converted to a mosque. Just in case, if you're interested in Hagia Sophia, you can find the link of the video in the description below or at the end of this video. Now, this monastery, along with Saint Sophia Cathedral in Kyiv, was designed to compete against Hagia Sophia in Istanbul. At that time, it was known as Constantinople. About this monastery complex includes a 96.5 meters tall bell tower, the Metropolitan's House of the Onufrios, Orest Volodymyrovich Berezovsky, the new head of the Ukrainian Orthodox Church. The complex also includes the Zabrovsky Gate, the South Entrance Tower, the cells of the senior monks, the seminary, and the reconstructed Domitian Cathedral. Guys, this Domitian Cathedral was destroyed by the Soviet Russian army in a controversial 1941 Christatic bomb explosion. While at the same time, they also destroyed all the bridges over the Dnieper River in Kyiv. Just in case you're interested in Dnieper River, I have a separate video covering the Dnieper River and you can find the link in the description or at the end of this video. You know, the spiritual and intellectual influence of Kyiv Pechersk Lavra was so significant that it spread the Orthodox faith and beliefs among the Russians from the 17th to the 19th century. Okay, by design and architecture, both Kyiv Saint Sophia Cathedral and Kyiv Pechersk Lavra was built with the assistance of architects and builders of the Byzantine Empire during the times of the great prince of Kyiv, Yaroslav the Wise. Okay, the caves of Kyiv Pechersk Lavra, they are narrow underground corridors that measure about 1.5 meters wide and 2.5 meters high. These caves consist of numerous living quarters for monks and several underground chapels. Over the centuries, the cathedral and the monastic buildings both have expressed a unique harmony of architectural forms in Ukraine. Not just that, Kyiv Pechersk Lavra is a national spirit holding a significant place in the traditional and historical landscape of Kyiv and of Ukraine. Today, this monastery is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site but also a cultural attraction with over 100 active monks and residents.